Jay Galasapanna. Hello friends. Adiyan Nateri Ranganathan, a Saran Sevak. Thanks for your immense support and feedback for our first ever AI generated video on Kaisika Mahatmya. Based on your support, we now present to you the next video in the series, which is the divine story of Tirumangayalvar. This entire series of AI generated content was conceptualized by our Kalakshepa Acharyan Sri Uve APN Swami. The AI images and videos were generated by Saran Sevaks Sri Nateri Ranganathan, Sri K. Srinath, Sri Vivan. The voiceover narration was provided by Saran Sevaks Sri Nateri Ranganathan and Srimati Vaidehi. We hope you enjoy this presentation. Thank you.
Among the Alvars, the youngest is Thirumangai Alvar. Born in the region of Thirumangai in the Chola country, as the son of a local chieftain, he was the incarnation of the Lord's bow, Saranga. His parents named him Neelan. Being immensely valorous, he was appointed as a commander in the Chola king's army. Thus, Neelan reigned as the chieftain of Thirumangai. Once, he saw a woman named Kumudavalli. Captivated by her beauty, he went to her house and asked her father for her hand in marriage. Kumudavalli replied, "O king, I will marry you, but I have two conditions. First, you must undergo Panchasamskaram and become a Shri Vaishnava. Second, you must perform Tadiyaradhane, feeding 1000 Shri Vaishnavas every day." Out of his deep love for her, Neelan agreed to her conditions. Using all the wealth in his treasury, he fed 1000 Shri Vaishnavas daily. Consequently, he could not pay the tribute tax due to the Chola king. Hearing this, the Chola king became very furious and decided to send his army to capture Neelan and imprison him. The mighty Neelan easily defeated the Chola forces. However, using a great trick, the Chola king eventually captured Neelan. When Neelan was grieving that his service of Tadiyaradhane had stopped, Kanchideva Perumal appeared in his dream and revealed the location of a great treasure in Kanchipuram. Neelan retrieved that treasure and paid off his debts. Realizing Neelan's greatness, the Chola king released him and returned that wealth to Neelan himself. Intending that his feeding service must continue, Neelan began to rob the wealth of miserly rich people who never gave charity. Deciding to correct him and take him into his service, Perumal and Thayar appeared there disguised as a newlywed wealthy couple. Neelan and his ministers surrounded them and looted all the ornaments they were wearing. After looting everything, Neelan saw one ornament remaining on Perumal's foot. Determined to steal that too, he used all his strength to remove it. When he realized he could not remove it, no matter how hard he tried, he asked Perumal, "What mantra have you used? I cannot remove just this one ornament." "We came this far just to give you that mantra," said the Lord. And right there, he initiated Neelan to the sacred Ashtakshara mantra. The moment he received the initiation, Neelan transformed into Thirumangai Alvar. He then travelled to many Divyadeshams, singing about the Lord in sweet Tamil, worshipping and rejoicing. Thirumangai Alvar, the youngest of the Alvars, is known by many names like Kaliyan and Parakalan. He holds the honour of singing about the highest number of Divyadeshams. Let us now recite the Thaniyan of this great Thirumangai Alvar.
Kalayami Kalidvamsam Kavim Loka Divakaram Yasya Gobi Prakasabihi Avidyam Nihatam Tamaha. Tirumangayalvar Tiruvadigalai Saranam.